here we've got Amazon Fire, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Here, just tap on cross icon and you can remove all visited websites, and if you tap on bin icon, you will be able to perform some full cleanup where you will be able to find basic and advanced settings. So as you can see, under basic you can find browsing history, so the same stuff that we could remove with the cross icon previously. Also cookies and site data and cached images and files. And then under advanced you've got few more, which are saved passwords, auto fill from data and site settings. So to remove it, just pick the time range, so you can delete data from past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time, and then just tap on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, you don't have any history now. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.